Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got an unboxing, and don't mind my appearance. I know I look a little rough. I'm dressed in pajamas. I was up all night doing homework for my medical class, and I just could not find the motivation to spend, half an hour, 45 minutes to put makeup on just to film an unboxing video. But you guys aren't here to look at my face, you're here to see what's in here. This is the biggest box I've ever gotten from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Like, look at this. Yeah. So, let's open it up. I love how the box is pink. I always love buying from Jeffree Star. Alright. Like, even his, wrapping paper has stars on it. I always save this because you never know when, you might need some Jeffree Star tissue paper. Alright, now we're getting into the good stuff here. So, I bought one of the dad hats. I've been wanting one for a while. My boyfriend says I look like crap in a dad hat, but I don't really care what he says, because I like it. It's definitely big head friendly, because I, have a big head. And you can adjust it in the back. There's even that might not because of the lighting, but there's just his star there. So we'll put the dad hat there. Let's see, we'll get to this stuff like the fashion and clothing before I get into the makeup stuff I bought. So I got a shirt. And I got in a large because I didn't really know, how it would fit, if it would shrink well, or if it would shrink a lot, or, But there's even a little star in the back there. I usually like my shirts a little big anyways. I mean, I'm 5'10" and about 195 pounds. So yeah, that fits well. The track jacket. I've been wanting one of these jackets ever since, he came out with them. I couldn't decide between the track jacket and a windbreaker, and I just decided to get the track jacket because I live in Colorado. That was the oven. Don't worry about that. Just preheating it. Oh, this feels real nice too, luxurious. Oh, that's big. I got it in an extra large because I like my jackets big. And it's thick too, not like winter coat thick, but just thick enough. Try this on. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's see, here's the back. Front, I could easily zip this up and have room. It feels very luxurious, it doesn't feel cheap or anything. It feels thick and well made. I mean, it smells like brand new clothes, so obviously I need to wash this stuff. But, yeah, now I'm all Jeffree Starred out. I'd say this video is going to be Jeffree Star approved, because I love Jeffree Star. Alright. This is going to be perfect for wearing to school and whatnot. This will fit nicely over my scrubs. and we'll go with any color because it's primarily black. All right. I also got the Can't Relate pink bumper phone case, and I have an iPhone 6s Plus, and it's, you know, it's just silicone, which actually is kind of disappointing because it looked like it was going to be a lot more protective than it is. Let's see. For $15, do I think this is worth it? No. But I'm gonna love it nonetheless. Hopefully it actually does a decent job at protecting my phone. I guess we will see. But I don't know why I thought this was gonna be like, you know, hard, but it's bendy. This is the only thing I'm kind of disappointed in. Is that there. All right, well, so far. So we've got, you know, the usual, the Magic Star stuff. This is the Gabriel Zamora one. I'm wondering if Jeffree and Gabriel are even on good terms anymore after, you know, Gabby sticking his nose where it doesn't belong. Once again, as usual, nothing new there. Him. I do want to try the, you know, the Magic Star concealers. I really do. I'll try them eventually. This is, you know, this lighting a little, I'm using natural lighting, so it's a little rough, but this is the Ice Cold highlighter. I wanted, I think it was the Peach Goddess, but it's always sold out when I go shopping for it, so. These are massive, like huge. Like, look at this compared to the size of my face. So this. Oh, I'm having issues. There we go. Like, look at that compared to the size of my face. Well, see, get out of here. Let's do swatch here. Ooh. And it feels kind of like buttery. Oh my word. Here, we'll get up close and personal here. Do a swatch right here. Like that is. Go in and blend it out. I don't know if you can tell, but it's definitely pretty blinding. I even still have some on my finger. But yeah, look at the size of that. That is huge. This is gonna last me like the rest of my life. I'm excited for that. Move all this stuff I have here. Mosey. You're not hurting anything, whatever. All right. Now we've got, which one did I get? Oh yeah, I got the lip scrub in Mojito. Let's try it out. I haven't had any of his lip scrubs yet. You know, these are quite big. Oh. It smells like a Mojito. Oh my God. That's tasty. That is delicious. Really good. All right. We've got a lip ammunition in Star Witness. It's cute packaging. The clasp is like pretty good, so I feel like if I put this in my purse, I wouldn't have to worry about it. Let's try this on. Let's use my Skin Frost mirror here. A little bit of lip scrub still on my face. What does this smell? I guess it was like oranges and cream, maybe? So here is the Star Witness Lip Ammunition. And I'll get up close, just don't mind my face. That Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation made me break out and like gave me like weird texture on my face. That is Star Witness. That is beautiful, I like that color. All right. Ah, yes. Now this is from the Alien collection. This is Jeffree Who. And since I don't have all day to keep taking these off my lips and stuff, I'm just gonna swatch these on my hand. This packaging is gorgeous. Beautiful packaging. Now we all know where this name came from. Jeffree Who, you know, Kat Von Disease. So, yes, look at that color. All right. That is so pretty. I love colors like this. Like this is my like go-to kind of pinky mauve kind of colors. Love it. And then the last two I got was I got the doll parts velour liquid lipstick, and I got the lip liner to match. So we are going to swatch these on my hand. Come on now. Get it. I always take them out of the bottom because like I don't like ruining like that sticker. I don't know. I'm weird. I don't know. Sometimes I collect certain packaging from Jeffree. Now this is the lip liner. It's very extra, very Jeffree. We are gonna, let's see. Very creamy. So that is the Doll Parts liner swatched next to Jeffree Who, and I'm going to put the Doll Parts Velour Liquid Lipstick right next to that. I always put everything back in its packaging. Not always, but a lot of the time I do. Ooh. Alright, let's... You know, I've never gone one before where there's been like, you know, a little bit of like holes there, but I think that's just how it is sometimes. Alright. And swatch that there. Put this back in here. Alright. So right here we've got Jeffree Who, and then the Doll Parts liner and the Doll Parts lipstick. And this is the Star Witness lip ammunition. So that is my large Jeffree Star haul. I love Jeffree. I do plan on buying his blood sugar palette. I've been meaning to get it for a while. It's just when I ordered a lot of this stuff, I decided, I'm like, oh, I'll wait for that. And then after I ordered everything, I'm like, no, shoot, I should have just gone it. So I'm probably just gonna get on and order it. And I can do, you know, swatches and unboxing, or maybe not. I mean, it's been out for a while. Pretty much everyone has seen it. But yeah, thanks guys. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you want, you can hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And yeah, links to my Twitter and Instagram will be down below, so definitely check them out. Thanks.